Welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Alright, here is the day 24 envelope. This will be our last day of tea in these envelopes. Oh, we have the berry jam tea. So this is an herbal infusion, which I think I will save for later. But we have the treats. This is another thing from Purdy's. How much is in here? I guess I bought more than I thought. This is the campfire bar. Milk chocolate, marshmallow, caramel, and biscuit. Oh, that sounds really good. It's actually perfect that we have an herbal infusion today because I was really wanting one of the Atomy Pure teas. I really love this stuff. It's just a powder in a little packet. So you don't even have to steep it. You just pour hot water in and it's awesome. It tastes really good. Well, I really like the flavor. I don't think everyone likes the flavor. And it makes 16 ounces. So the tea has been made and I am ready to get editing. It's 8:30 now, so I've got about an hour and a half of editing time before I plan to head to the grocery store. I decided to come out for my walk a little earlier and I'm feeling pretty good actually. So maybe this is an energizing walk today. And amazingly, even after being so full for so long yesterday, pretty much all night till I went to bed, I am starting to feel hungry again, yay! Sleep for me fixes so many things. It's really quite incredible. Brunch at Alder was really good. We're not super hungry, so we're going to have this turkey poutine for dinner. This is leftover turkey from my in-laws' place, and we just kind of like pulled it apart, put it on top, and slathered it all with gravy. Looks so good. That is so satisfying. Even though I was starting to get my appetite back, I wasn't that hungry when we were at brunch. So I ended up ordering the brown butter waffles, and this was a very like tropical preparation. So there were pineapples on top and also some coconut chantilly cream. Very yummy, very easy to eat, and I wasn't too full after brunch, which was great. And Hubby had the burger, which looked amazing. I had a small bite and it was very tasty. The fries and the aioli were also really good. I think the aioli might have been like a garlic lemon type of thing. So it was really tangy and really delicious. It's been a few hours and it is time to do the last puzzle in the jigsaw puzzle advent calendar. This has been so much fun. I've really loved this advent calendar. Day 24 is right over here. Hubby and I have had a really nice day. It's been very relaxing. We took some time to watch some TV together finally. I haven't watched any shows in quite a while. So we are watching the Squid Game reality show right now. Hubby has actually already watched around 8 of the episodes, right? And I am watching the show for the first time, even though I know who won. It's good so far. I'm liking it. It's very entertaining and looks a lot like the TV show or the series that was not a reality show. Hubby and I were talking about, if they offered you $100,000 at this point, would you take it? And I think I would probably take the money rather than, I mean, it would be fun to continue to play, but I like locking in money versus risking getting nothing at all. So I don't know. I mean, I'd have to be in the situation to know for sure, but I would be very tempted to take like $50,000 or $100,000 and leave with something rather than risking getting nothing. Of course, then I wouldn't have the rest of the experiences as well, But yeah, I guess I would have to decide in the moment. We were also going to watch Klaus. That's the animated film that won an Academy Award, I believe. We started watching it and it seemed pretty good, but hubby was falling asleep, so I decided to turn it off and we would watch it together another time. Hubby is marinating his chicken right now, so that's what all of that plastic bag noise is. And Lulu's watching him because she always gets a little bit of chicken when he does that. It doesn't really feel like Christmas Eve to me today. Maybe it's because we saw family yesterday and we're not seeing family again until tomorrow. So today has felt like a really low-key day, just like a regular weekend day, which is also nice, but it just doesn't feel like Christmas Eve. I keep forgetting that tomorrow's Christmas. Are you feeling that too? Mm-hmm. Yay! Last puzzle completed. The border was a lot easier than the inner part of the puzzle today. I think that is going to be it for Christmas Eve. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about puzzle chats for the rest of Vlogmas. Maybe I will start my 5,000 piece puzzle at some point, or maybe I will redo some of these puzzles. But I've really enjoyed puzzle chats. And I will see you all tomorrow on Christmas Day. Welcome to Christmas Day and the never-ending Vlogmas. I do continue Vlogmas until New Year's Eve, so this is Vlogmas Day 25, and we are going to open the last envelope in this year's advent calendar. Oh, I know what this is. Hubby and I bought this when we were on our Cambridge road trip. This is the peanut butter explosion bar and it's from Chocolate Sensations. So I think we might have gotten this in Paris, Ontario. It's really heavy. It's 125 grams in this little bar, so it's quite dense. There's no tea in today's bag because I'm going to pick what I want to drink, but hubby does have one coffee remaining. And it's from Rabbit Hole in Montreal. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. This makes me so happy. So much variety and so much deliciousness. I have, of course, my favorites, the fruity green tea blends. So I was thinking maybe the Bahamian soursop or the golden mango. The strawberry marshmallow is also one of my favorites. But as I'm opening the box, I'm realizing that I also really love the passion fruit because it tastes so peachy, and the bergamot truffle because it tastes delicious and it also has the word truffle in it. The deciding factor for me today will actually be what I'm wearing. This Vlogmas, I've been trying to match what I'm wearing to the tea, but today I want to match the tea to what I'm wearing, which means that out of those ones that I just mentioned, I think I'm going to choose passion fruit. This isn't red, this is more of a dark orange, but I think it's close enough. I do want to wear red today, and I do want to have a caffeinated tea right now, and I do really love this flavor. So this is going to be my choice for the day. Hubby is going to choose his tea today. He's going to put this one back because he doesn't like it that much. Mango. I like that one too. Yeah, Hubby, Lulu, and I are going for our Christmas morning walk. Here are the treats that were in my stocking. these candy canes. I bought these and put them on my stocking. So we've got a cranberry one and this one is cherry. And then we have 2 of these snowman cookies. Hubby only put one in my stocking because the other one wouldn't fit. Hubby also got me these chocolates from this fancy chocolate company. I was actually going to buy him chocolates from the same place, but because I ran out of room, I stopped buying things. These are pralines. And then we've got this beautiful box of Christmas sticks. Right? Is that what it's called? Oh no, Sticks Box Chocolate. Hubby also got me this Aero Truffle Bar in the Nanaimo flavor and a cookie dough Kit Kat. And then I got these foot masks. These look fun. It's a set of 3 Hello Kitty jojoba oil and peppermint foot masks. I can't wait to try those. And then these are massage bars. Apparently you put them in your hand for a little bit until they start to melt, and then you can use whatever comes off in your hand to massage. So there are 2 bars in here and they both smell really, really, really good. And they are very soft and they're starting to melt in my hand already, even though I only held them for a little bit. And it's really soft. The substance that comes off of them or that they melt into. And then here is what I got hubby in his stocking. We have the candy canes, of course. Hubby has his in cranberry and sugar plum. I already showed a couple of these things earlier in Vlogmas. So I showed the whiskey cookies already and also the truffle oil, which is behind Lulu's fur. And in addition to that, I got him these spicy buffalo cashews, this shortbread with salted caramel, this birthday cake bar. After I bought this, I realized I've bought this for him before, I think. I also got him something, those cookie dough, the Twix, and then this double-decker bar, which I believe is from the UK. I got him this big piece of nougat. I think it's strawberry nougat. Remember we saw these at that store in the distillery? I got him this little tub of Christmas gummy candies. These are freeze-dried snacks. I got a variety pack and there was one for free, but they gave me like the same one. So we have 2 of these. So I didn't actually pick these out. So I think these were the variety pack, which are random. And then the free one was this one. Or this one. And finally, I got hubby his favorite. He loves honeycomb. So he'll likely be eating the majority of this. I'm okay about honeycomb, but hubby loves it, and apparently so does Lulu. Lulu loves honey. Lulu loves all things.
I'm gonna stop my fast now because I'm gonna eat some.
Hubby and I are going to dig into our holiday treats now. I think what we're gonna eat first are some treats that we bought yesterday after brunch. Alder restaurant is in a hotel called Ace Hotel. It's a pretty new hotel. I think they built it during the pandemic, and they have a lobby bar area that also sells coffee and pastries. So after we had our brunch, we went up to see what they had, and we decided on a few things. This here is the bacon and Gruyere scone. Oh, it smells so good. You want some?
Oh, holy. Sounds so savory.
It smells really, really good. We wanted 2, but they only had 1 left. And then we also bought a couple of their cookies. This one is the miso sesame. It feels really soft and chewy. This one is the matcha white chocolate. Lulu already got a bunch of treats when we came home from the walk. We're gonna give her snuffle mat tomorrow. So we're gonna give her one of these Christmas toys. We gave her one last year already. That's the one that was in the middle, and I think it was a little reindeer. She has 2 more toys from this pack. So we'll give her either the present or the candy cane. Which one? Candy cane? Oh, okay. She knows this is for her. Okay. Oh, she can hold it. I wasn't sure if she'd be able to hold it. Oh, the dinger. The dinger distracted her. She doesn't want it anymore. She knows that's food.
Where's your toy? Where's your Christmas present? Your candy cane.
She's not interested.
You're bored of it again?
Oh, look at her claw.
Oh, we have to cut her nails. Hubby and I are heading to a Chinese restaurant to meet my family for dinner. The moon is so beautiful tonight. The official full moon is tomorrow, but it's looking very full. Hubby and I are back home now, and we had a really nice dinner with my family. My family and I don't really exchange gifts anymore, but my sister got me some really nice chocolates. They're from an independent chocolate shop in Ottawa, and the chocolates are really beautifully painted. Very, very pretty, so I can't wait to try those. I also wrapped up 2 copies of my book. One is for my parents, and one is for my aunt. I've already given my sisters copies when I saw them in October, November. I used this wrapping paper that I've had for many, many, many years. And my family, of course, knows about this wrapping paper, but my aunt turned to me when I gave her the gift, and she was like, "How come you have so much of this wrapping paper?" So I used to work at a department store, and they had a gift wrapping station, but they had extra one year, and so they sold off these huge rolls of wrapping paper to the staff. And I decided to buy a roll because they were like, I think like $5 or $10 only. And it was a huge roll of wrapping paper. I'm sure you've seen this before if you've watched my Vlogmas, but it used to be quite a big roll that's still really heavy because it's really good quality, thick wrapping paper. And I still have this much left. And I've had this since my early 20s. So I've had this for over 20 years, and I still have so much of it remaining. I pretty much use it every Christmas, and even though I don't give a lot of gifts anymore, I used to give quite a number of gifts, and I would wrap big boxes with this. Hubby is so sick of this wrapping paper. I still really love it though, because I think it's a great pattern. It's like festive and wintry without being too Christmassy, so you can use it for a lot of different types of gifts. In the smaller rolls, they're harder to store because they tend to get crinkled, and because a lot of the paper that you buy is lower quality, it's not as thick, it does get like smushed. So it's so nice to always have this paper take out of the locker to use again, and it doesn't get damaged even though we have so much stuff in our locker and we kind of just like shove it in there. But because the paper is such high quality, it really doesn't get damaged at all. All right, that is going to be it for Vlogmas days 24 and 25. I am going to continue until New Year's Eve. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful couple of days celebrating Christmas, if you do celebrate Christmas, or just having the time off to spend with family, friends, or on your own. Happy holidays once again, and I will see you very soon. Bye!